All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, I've got the 500 SEL outside because that's right, we're gonna wash it up today. And I'm just want to say it outright. Um, I'm not a professional auto detailer, but this car at least needs to be sprayed down, get the dust all off of it, just so that we can really get a good look at the paint and everything else on it. So I'll just kind of leave you with that. And yeah, I plan on what I'm going to do first. I'm just going to rinse it off and get most of the dust off of it because it's layered on there because this car has been sitting for almost well, somewhere around 15 years anyways. And yeah, it's got a pretty decent layer of dirt, but these wheels here are probably not going to come out the best because you can see right there some of the chrome is flaking off of it. And I honestly just don't think I'm going to be able to do much as far as getting those cleaned up. But you know, we'll get it cleaned up and see what we got. And also, one thing that I'm going to be doing is those chrome, uh, basically fender trim. That's got to come off because who knows what's in behind it and what it looks like basically. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get that pressure washer hooked up and get it fired up and start washing it. All right, for a 39-year-old that's been sitting in a garage for 15 years, it doesn't look too bad. It will need a little bit more work done to the paint. It's pretty oxidized. Um, but yeah, the chrome itself, I think that'll polish up pretty good with some chrome polish, and yeah. But as far as any real uh, paint issues, I really don't see any. Um, this fender up here, it does look a little, well, it does really look different. It looks a lot cleaner than the rest of the car. I'm pretty sure by looking at it, that fender there has probably been replaced. But yeah, the front of the car doesn't look half bad. The wheels, which I was pretty sure this was going to happen, some of the chrome has started coming off of them, and I've never seen that on a wheel. Why it's red back in there. Not 100% for sure on that, but yeah, I think if I get a little bit of polish out, I think I could probably get the rest of this paint to come out better. It's got a few things up here on the hood that'll need to be taken care of, but all in all, I think it'll clean up nicely. The 300 SD, it was a lot worse than this car, and it actually turned out to be pretty good, but overall, it's not too bad. The chrome's a lot better on this car than it was on that 300 SD, which is kind of typical. This thing had been sitting inside of a garage, and that 300 SD didn't. So, but yeah, I don't think that I'm gonna really do anything else with the paint just yet. I might get out a little bit of polish and see if I can clean up a spot just to kind of see what it could look like. But I really want to get in here and see about getting it started, and yeah, kind of going from there. But I've got a few things kind of prepared for the next video that I'm going to be doing. I've got some cooling system cleaner, some seafoam to put down inside of the engine to help kind of clean it up, and I ended up getting me a fire extinguisher just because you just never know with the electrical systems on old cars. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the video off there, and if you want to see more of this car, consider subscribing, and yeah, if you like the video, please give me a like. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.